Now we can disable or enable the firewall from the command prompt itself, guys. If a hacker gets access to command injection, let's say using web application, if a hacker can execute the commands on the server, then he can easily disable the firewall, guys. Command executed successfully. That means we disable the firewall, guys. If you want to enable, command enabled successfully. Now command executed successfully. Again, now we enable the firewall. Like the firewalls, you know, guys, why the being a system admin, you should know what is the use of a firewall. Let's say there is some ports or services are running like FTP, SSH on your machine. So people will add those ports in a firewall in such a way that even though if these services are running, no external user should not connect to that particular ports. So such kind of settings can be given in the firewall that we'll discuss later. But now using DOS commands, you need to know like hacker can also terminate the firewall and can enable the firewall using DOS commands, guys. So you can use this command and execute that in the previous batch file to make sure that in every computer firewall should be always on.